Do you all know that our name also carries certain vibrations with us? कुछ energies होती हैं जो हमें impact करती हैं with the sounds that are made when somebody takes your name. It is as important as your date and time of birth in impacting how your life is going to be while you are here. And then there are two components in a name itself, that is the consonant and a vowel. A vowel will talk about your innermost desires and feelings. It will talk about, what is it that feeds your soul? What is that one thing that you really hope to achieve in your life? And not in materialistic terms, but as a part of your overall personality. Knowing your soul urge number can also help you maintain better family and relationships overall in your life. And आपको आपके बच्चों का अगर soul urge number पता होता है तो you can also help them. So people who have their total of the vowels as one, आपको एक बहुत strong urge है to manage certain situations in your life. आप you want to be the leader in all the situations and you want to take control of whatever is happening around you. You have that aggressive attitude, and you tend to be impatient also as well at times. आप बहुत ज़्यादा critical हो जाते हो अपने लिए भी and with people you are working with. You dislike taking orders from other people, and because of other numbers in your chart, अगर आप किसी ऐसी जगह पे काम कर रहे हो जहाँ पे you are not calling the shots, so that is what your heart needs right now. That is what you're lounging for right now, and that needs to be taken care of. अगर आपके vowels का total आता है 2 पे, तो then you are one person who has a lot of social skills, who like to socialize a lot, a person who likes to be in harmony with other people. You are one of a team player. आपको अपने personal और professional life, be it anything, you want people to be together. You are the bridge for people to come together. On the other hand, अगर आपका soul urge 2 पे है तो you tend to be very indecisive. आप you end up weighing your pros and cons all the time, और you have the tendency to cry at the drop of a hat. आपको किसी ने कुछ बोला नहीं और you start crying. You also appreciate finer things in life. तो आपके लिए कोई भी ऐसा रिलेशनशिप या वर्क प्लेस काम करता है जहाँ पे you have to be a team player. अगर आपके वॉवल्स का टोटल आता है 3 पे, you have a strong urge to express yourself. आप बहुत रोमांटिक हो at heart and you want to be the soul of the party, but आप उतना अपने आप को एक्सप्रेस कर नहीं पाते हो शायद अभी. And though you're very optimistic and flexible as a person, but you tend to see people through rose tinted glasses. आपको सब में सब कुछ अच्छा ही दिखता है. So yes, that's one thing. And at the same time आपके thoughts बहुत ज़्यादा scattered होते हैं. So that is one area where you need to work on. Moving on to the next number, अगर name का total आता है, vowels का total आता है on number 4, तो you wanting to live a very disciplined and a practical life. आपकी लाइफ में इशू ये होगा कि आपका कुछ ना कुछ करके रूटीन ब्रेक हो जाता होगा every time, and then you find it really difficult to bounce back to your routine. You are one person who would not make plans at the drop of a hat. आपको you need your time and space to plan things around, and you are somebody who is very attached to the value of money that you are spending. So you're very careful about that. Somebody can see it as it can come across as being stubborn or stingy at times, but yes, this is one thing. Being disciplined is what you require in life. Vowels का total अगर आता है 5 पे, you one person who's wanting to multitask a lot of things at the same time. आपका motto in life would be deep down कि to experience life in all its form and glory. You one person who's adventurous. एंड आपको यू आर अट्रैक्टेड टू सच थिंग्स, आपको रिस्क टेकिंग अच्छा लगता होगा डीप डाउन. बट देन negative aspect is that you tend to change your mind at the drop of a hat. So वहां पर आपका डिफिकल्ट एरिया होगा, that needs to be sorted. अगर वॉवल्स का टोटल आ रहा है 6 पे, तो यू वन पर्सन जिसका एसेंस है लाइफ में बेस्ट और नथिंग. You want to go all out for the people around you. You one person who is very generous and loving with children, with your family, with the people you work, even with the animals as well. तो deep down आपका urge होगा to take care of people around you. So but then you should be cautious enough not to smother yourself in the process, and also not putting out too much expectation on other people around. अगर आपके वॉवल्स का टोटल आ रहा है 7 पे, you're one person who's wanting to live in solitude. You have a small group of friends, and आपके लिए the motto that silence is golden would work the best for you. You would find yourself being drained in a large number of people. आपको बहुत अच्छा लगता होगा जब आप अकेले रह रहे हो, when there's nobody around you to bother you and put your expectations on you. Because of this single reason, you are very easily misunderstood by people as being egoistical, and वहीं पे आपको relationships में इस वजह से बहुत ज़्यादा difficulty होती होगी. But yes, you are one person who's wise beyond your years, and you can spot a phony person from far. People with soul urge 8 are very visionary people. मतलब they have a broader vision of life, of what they want to achieve and how they want to go about it. Yet they would need help, working on smaller details. They would need help from other people. If the total of the vowel is an 8, you are somebody who's very ambitious deep down, and आपके लिए financial independence is of extreme importance. You are somebody who can work very hard, who's very resilient with their efforts. Yet you can come across as being stubborn or extravagant at times. Last number in the number series is number 9. अगर आपके vowels का total आता है 9 पे, you tend to be one person who has all the power to influence other people around you in their decision making. You tend to be a perfectionist in whatever you do, and people come up to you looking for your wisdom and experience in certain areas in life. आपको arts and finer things in life पसंद होती हैं. Although you're very compassionate and at heart, but yes, you can be equally detached from people around you.